Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the MiniFig Club, and I have my little card here. You get a sticker each month that you put on this card, and then you send it to them and they send you something free. We don't know what that is yet, but we're getting very close to finding out. So, let me just dump everything out. And we get a little bookmark. All roads lead to somewhere, so if you feel lost, keep driving. That's cute. There's always like some kind of like challenge or contest to do. And a Facebook group. Also get a postcard.
Yeah,
that one's cute.
Mom, the sticker's there.
Yep, the little tiny sticker. So we'll put that on here. So this is our December bag. So once we get January and February, we could turn in our little card. And then we'll see what we get.
I thought we only had 2 more.
Well, now we do, because we just put the sticker on. Okay. So you also get a sticker every month and a magnet. Cute. It's got a little race car theme. So here are the pieces. We have the body parts, the accessories, and then the piece of the month. We'll go ahead and open that first. Yeah. What do you think it's going to be, Jackson?
I
think it's going to be
probably it's going to be something that is in a car.
Yep. Steering wheel. That's cute. Alright, so let's take a look at our accessories.
I might be able to make a car.
And these are all official Lego pieces. And I've found some like vintage ones in here before, which is kind of cool. So we have a little weapon. This thing, I've never seen one of those before. I'm sure your dad has. Little gun. We get a lot of those. A hard hat. A big bone.
Oh, that's
a blonde bob hairpiece, a red mohawk, a camera, little top to like an apple or a carrot, yep. Another little gun with the piece that fires from it, a wrench, and then this other little piece. So you always get a little variety of stuff there. And then you get enough body parts to make 3 full minifigures, and then you have a piece or 2 extra.
I don't know why they give us 4 heads.
Yeah, sometimes. So here we have a chest piece for a clown.
Maybe I can make a ghost clown.
Chest piece, this kind of looks like a Sherlock Holmes, or kind of like a detective type, like plaid shirt. This one looks like a sailor or a mime.
Not a mime.
Yeah.
No, it's a sailor.
And then we have some pant pieces. It's got some fuzz on it. Those are black with a little chain. Some plain brown ones. And then these blue and brown ones. And then the heads. Let's see. We got a girl with a big smile on her face. Another girl. Is that the same one or is it a little different?
Different. Show me.
Looks pretty much the same.
No, they're different.
Are they?
Yeah.
Sunglass guy. And this guy that has like orangish red tinted.
Different.
Yeah, those are definitely different. Cool. So that's what we got in our December bag. If you want to see past months, we have a whole bunch posted on our channel. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.